Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a problem in Unreal Engine 5 I thought I'd share with you and its temporary solution. So when I start a new project in Unreal Engine project browser, open this project, then hit G to toggle game mode, the engine instantly crashes. It does not matter which template I'm using, I tried almost all of these and the engine still crashes. Interestingly enough, this did not happen in the Valley of the Ancient demo, so I started using this project here to create my own projects and tests. I tried making an empty template out of the Valley of the Ancient sample, but that did not work really well because there are some plugins and files I did not understand what are they for exactly, and I was just unlucky for the past few days. However, this changed this morning for once only. After I made like 50 new projects, I got one of them not to crash when I hit G. So if any of you guys is having the same problem, I tried this template on multiple computers and it did not crash for me. So I uploaded this for you on Gumroad. You can download it and let me know if this will fix the problem for you when you hit G. Hopefully your engine will not crash and you will have some fun with Unreal Engine 5. So I hope you found this video useful. If you know any solution about this, let me know. Other than that, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers! And open it, then hit G to toggle. So when I start a new project and open it, then open. Interestingly.
Temporary.
Not B. Behind the scenes.
Temporary.
I don't know if Google is teaching me. It's just making it harder.
Temporary.
Yeah. Subscribe, guys.